going to show you how to utilize the pipelines within Exelare. Now, this is the candidate pipeline displayed as a table. The sales pipeline here is displayed as a table. And you'll notice that I have a list of fields here that I can search and sort by. You have access to the preview for the individual's record, access to all the communication and data that you've accrued over time. And it just gives you the ability to go in and move people through the process. Once you select a record, it's going to give you the ability to do a number of things: email, schedule, make submittals from here. The big one is changing the stage, moving someone through the process. Now, this is our boilerplate sales pipeline. Both pipelines are 100% customizable, which will be in a following video. And I do want to show you that you can also display your pipeline as a Kanban. Now, this Kanban is interactive, and it comes with a set of filters, so you can go through and drill down to specific opportunities, people at specific companies. If we were to go over to the candidate pipeline and display that as a Kanban, you'll see the filters related to candidates on this side. And so I'm looking at all my open jobs, and if I want to pull up just a specific job, it's pretty straightforward. Now, you'll notice that for this job, 1280, I have received, which is for people that apply online. They haven't been reviewed yet. Potential, these are people that I've shortlisted. And just like within the grid view, the list view that I showed you, you do have access to all the information here of these individuals. And as you move people through the process, if I was to take Jeff Altman here and submit him to the client, there's a couple of ways you can submit. You can do it manually because you may be using a VMS system, or you may have walked it to the person's office. But the majority of people are going to be submitting via email. And I'm going to go ahead and click OK. Now, this is going to attach Jeff's resume. This is to show you that we can pull data from a person's record. If you'd rather blind the information, you don't need to use this style sheet. You can utilize signatures and templates, which are explained in another instructional video. But when I send this off, now that's going to show Jeff as submitted to the client. And if they wanted to interview him, just slide him over to the interview. What type of interview? When is it? All the different pieces of data that you want to capture for that interview. And it's going to pull up a calendar invitation and display information about the job, who it's with, when it is. And then once you send that out, that's going to now leave Jeff here within the interview. And as you move someone through, if you take them over here to placed, you'll notice that there's a number of things that you can capture here. When's the start date? What's the rate, fee percentage? If it's a contract, when's the end date? So, who are we billing? So just basically as much information about this placement that you want to capture is available to you right there. Now, as I mentioned, these are 100% customizable. So please view the pipeline customization video for more information.